Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card and memory card into your Blackberry Key 2, as you can see right here. So on the left side there's a SIM tray right here. So you'll need to use your SIM tray puller and you'll need to stick it in, and as you can see the SIM tray just popped out. So use your nails to pull it out. So there's the SIM card goes in first, and there's memory card. So memory card goes on top, and there's your SIM card. Here it is, and you can stick it in, both them at once, and same way to pull it out, just like we did it before to remove it. So pull them out, flip it over, and here it is. That's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.